Hello students, welcome to Sunya IAS. We are here to announce the launch of Sociology Enrichment program, specially for 2026 students. So whatever the mentorship we have been giving to the students, we have been finding out that they are confused in various aspects related to their sociology preparation. That you have already done your foundations, but still you are confused related to your content. That what is right source or what is right content for me. Then you are confused in integrating the thinkers. Whatever the sheets which we have been evaluating, which we have been seeing, we have been looking that most of the times you are just name dropping the thinker without making any integration or connection with the concept which is in question. Then there is a confusion that what is enrichment or how we are going to add value to our answers with current affairs or current relevance or current examples. The next confusion is about that how we are going to make notes, the revision notes. And the last confusion which you guys have is related to how we are going to look for answer writing. To solve all these confusions, to solve all your problems related to Sociology Optional, if you have already done your foundation, we have launched this particular course, which is Sociology Enrichment program. So how we are going to help you out in this particular program? So here the first step which we will be using is understanding the syllabus with PYQs to map all the important themes which we need to take care of when we look for preparing our sociology. Okay, when we will be analyzing the PYQs, you will be seeing that most of the times the questions which UPSC has been asking related to sociology, they have a repetition related to themes. The second step which we will be utilizing is the revision part, where we will revise the whole chapter, and this revision itself we will try to enrich our content. We will try to add thinkers or learn that how we are going to add thinkers at relevant points, making a relevant connection, integration with the concept which the examiner has been asking. We will try to find out that how whatever we have been visualizing from our eyes, whatever the current affair information which we learn in our GS, how that can be used in a sociological imagination for our answer writing skills. Okay, for all of these we will be utilizing the toppers approach. So we will be seeing the toppers answer sheets, that how they are introducing any concept, how they are making conclusions, what kind of approach with respect to flowcharts, with respect to adding thinkers, with respect to adding examples they have been utilizing in their answer skills. So we will try to develop those kind of approach related to our content making, note making, as well as answer writing skills. Okay. Then after this revision and enrichment, we will be having the practice questions. In the class, we will be discussing some questions with the help of model answers. We will try to find out the key themes, the key words of that particular question, what kind of approach we have to look for when we are going to introduce that particular question, what kind of approach we have to use for body and conclusion. Okay. Then you will be given some practice questions which you will be practicing at home. So we are done with this practice questions. We are done with understanding the keywords, key themes. We are done with our revisions. I will be providing you these ready-made notes. For every chapter, I have find out the themes and I have mapped that what kind of notes, the ready-made notes which you need. So for every chapter, there will be a tabular format and notes will be provided you in this tabular formats which will be very much helpful you for revise at the last moments. And in this notes itself, we have added examples, the contemporary examples. We have added the thinkers which we need to be clubbed, and which we have tried to understand in a sociological imagination, in a sociological framework. Okay, so the basics which we will be looking for understanding will be in a very simplistic manner. Then we will add dimensions. Then we will add thinkers, then examples. Okay. Then after revision, enrichment, there will be tests. So that whatever we have revised, whatever we have practiced, we need to write those answers, we need to do tests. Because this tests is nothing but improving your answer writing skills. Okay. Then these tests will be evaluated. After this evaluation, we will be having again the one-to-one mentorship sessions where we will try to find out the issues which we have been facing related to our answer writing skills. Okay. Then we will try to repeat this particular progression of ours where we will be looking for a linear curve when we look for improving our strategy, improving our answer writing skills related to sociology optional. So the program is starting from 7th of July. Okay. So these green marks which you have been looking at this particular sheet, these are your days when you will be having your classes. So on 7th and 10th you will be having classes. Then on 19th you will be having your first test. So the schedule has been designed in such a way that you will not jeopardize your GS preparations also. And by 3rd of January you will be done with your sociology preparation, including your revision, practicing, enrichment and answer writing skills. So there will be total 20 tests for this particular program. By 3rd of January, you will be done with 14 tests, 7 sectional tests for each syllabus, for each paper. Okay. Then on 17th and 31st January, you will be done with your full length tests also. So by 31st January, the 16 tests you will be completing with this particular schedule. And the remaining 4 tests will be lying on between your prelims and mains of 2026. Okay. Now the evaluation standards, we have already, uploaded a sheet on our Telegram channel. You can find those sheets where you can highlight, where you can see that what is the standard of Sunya IAS evaluation. Okay. The mentorship, the hand holding will be there for you for this particular course. Anytime you need to connect with me, you need to connect for your answer writing skills, you need to connect for your improving your concepts related to classes. Everything will be done and everything will be catered. So you don't need to worry about that how now you look for to approach the answer writing skills for your sociology optional. And if you want to subscribe for the course, we have a limited seats for this particular thing. But if you want to subscribe, you can go for the Sunya IAS website. There you can look for optional. In optional, there is sociology optional tab. In the sociology optional tab, you have to look for this enrichment course. Here, this is a new batch we are launching from 7th of July. You have to go to view details. If you want to look for schedule, here the schedule will pop up where we have given every day on which the test will be there and the days on which the class will be there. And you have to just log in or subscribe. If you have still any information needed, any query you have related to your sociology optional, you can connect with us on this particular number available on the website. We are very much happy to help you and see you in the class. Take care. All the best.